Hello guys, welcome to Software Zen. Today I want to teach you how you can rotate your artboard the right way. Rotating your artboard, it means that you want to rotate this particular image in a 360 or a 240 dimension. So what you do, just simply press R on a keyboard. Press R. Just zoom in and out. Press R on a keyboard. So right now you see the rotation mode. You can move it along, you can move it like this. This is a 360 movement. Or if you say you want to move it, you want to go back to the default section, go back to your reset view, and then from here you can press shift on your keyboard. It will be moving and hold. Then as you are moving, it will be moving in addition of 15 degrees. To be adding 15 degrees, that is 45. 45, as you can see from there, 60, 75, like that, 90, in that order. You want to reset, go back to reset view, let it be bold, and then you can do this for a, a number of pictures. Let's say you want your entire window, your entire pages that you have opened, you want them to turn to, you want to rotate all of them at once. You just simply come to rotate all windows. You come here, you see this is a picture. This picture credit goes to Oshi Miriam. She's one of my primary school mates. She's now a copper. So right now, select this rotate all windows, then click on it. Then come press R, move. Then once you go to any of the windows, like this, you see that all of them has changed each rotation. Can just come back here, reset, and then uncheck the rotate all windows, which is very important. Thank you, and if you love this video, subscribe for more.